next year. Next.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, please, good morning. Now, after giving the response, please mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Switch off your mics.
Okay, ma'am.
And now listen carefully. Now we are first of all going to discuss the question answers given in the holiday homework. Clear? Given as holiday homework. Now, what you have to do, if anybody knows the answer, you have to raise your hands, speak out your name and then the answer. First, you have to speak out your name and then give the answer. Clear? Secondly, after giving the answer, you have to again mute yourself. And the rest, those who are not giving the answer, they have to mute their mics. Clear? Am I clear? Because other students will not be able to hear them. Now, first question. Everybody has the notebook in front of you with the homework page?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can check the answers when we are discussing here. Who used to copy the manuscripts in the early medieval period? Yes, name first. Speak out the name and then give the answer.
Ma'am, Nancy Rathod, scribes.
Yes, scribes. Answer is scribes. Good. Now, first answer is scribes. That is, scribes used to copy the manuscripts in the early medieval period. Next, name the warrior clan that became popular between 8th to 14th century. Yes, name and
Ma'am,
Rajputra.
Rajput clan will also be correct, but Kshatriyas Rajputs were also called as what? Kshatriya. If anybody has written Kshatriya, Kshatriya spelling will start with K. Kshatriya. Kshatriya. If you have started, means if you have written Kshatriya also, it will be correct. Clear? So for the second answer, Kshatriya was the warrior clan that became popular between 8th and 14th century. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, who was Al-Adrisi?
Ma'am, Lakshita Setpal. Al-Adrisi was an Arab autographer.
Geographer. I am repeating it again. Al-Adrisi was an Arab geographer. First page, first lesson of your history book. Al-Adrisi was an Arab geographer. Clear? Cartographer भी लिखेंगे तो then also it is correct, but mostly in your book it is written Al-Adrisi was Arab geographer. Clear? Now second,
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 4, next, fill in the blanks. First is dash provide a lot of information to the historians.
Manuscripts and documents.
Yes.
Ma'am, Lakshita Setpal manuscripts.
Yes, manuscripts. Yes. Now listen carefully. If any answer you had not written properly, you can just with the pencil put one line on the incorrect answer and write down the correct answer in that place with the pencil only. ठीक है ना, ताकि बुक नोटबुक गंदा नहीं लगे. आई बात समझ में? जो अगर आपको कुछ गलत लिख दिया है तो आप उसको पेंसिल से कट करके और उसको वापस से आप पेंसिल से ही आंसर लिख दीजिए वहां पर.
Okay, ma'am.
So first is dash provide a lot of information to the historians, that is manuscripts. Okay. Next is rules and regulations of jatis were enforced by.
Ma'am, Lakshita Setpal, Assembly of Elders.
Yes, Assembly of Elders. But Assembly of Elders were called as
Jati Panchayat.
Very good. So Jati Panchayat will be the word here rules and regulations of jatis were enforced by Jati Panchayat.
Jati Panchayat.
If you will write down assembly of elders also will be correct, but the proper word will be Jati Panchayat. If you are writing assembly of elders, in bracket you can write down Jati Panchayat. Okay. Next, knowledge of dash earned Brahmins a lot of respect.
Ma'am, Surbil Alwani, Sanskrit.
Yes, Sanskrit
And
text.
Sanskrit text.
Yes, Sanskrit text. Next, the Muslims of two divisions. The Muslims had two divisions. Which are the two divisions in Muslim religion?
Shraddha Rathi.
Yes,
Shia
Shraddha.
Muslim and Sunni Muslim.
Yes, Shia and Sunni. SHIA. Shia and SUNNI Sunni. Next, Dash had controlled an empire from Bengal in the east to Ghazni in the west.
Ma'am, Lakshita
And
Setpal,
Shraddha
Delhi
Rathi.
Sultan Ghiyasuddin Balban.
Yes, Ghiyasuddin Balban. Now the spelling, be careful. Sultan Ghiyasuddin Balban. Your spelling is given here. Clear? Next, true and false. We do not find inscriptions for the period of 700. Period after 700.
Raghav Bansal
False.
Yes, Raga.
False.
Okay, false. Next is the Marathas asserted the political importance during this period.
Ma'am, Lakshita Setpal.
True.
True.
True, yes. Next is true. Then forest dwellers were sometimes pushed out of their lands with the spread of agricultural settlement.
And
Ma'am,
Shraddha
Himanshi.
Rathi.
Setpal
True.
true.
Yes,
Ma'am, Raghav Bansal true.
yes, Raghav. Himanshi, yes,
True.
true. This is also true. Then Sultan Ghiyasuddin Balban control Assam, Manipur and Kashmir.
Ma'am, Lakshita
Ma'am.
Setpal false.
False. Yes,
Ma'am,
false.
Ujjwal type false.
Yes, Ujjwal Lakshita, everyone is correct. It is false. So clear this. A and B will be false. B and C will be true.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is
Yes.
question number 5th. What makes biosphere?
Ma'am, Lakshita Setpal, the plant and animals kingdom together form the biosphere.
Yes, plant and animal kingdom together forms a biosphere.
Biosphere.
Wait a second. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is yes, question number 5 was correct. What makes biosphere? Plants and animal kingdom together makes biosphere. Then
Yes.
what holds the atmosphere around Earth?
Ma'am, Lakshita Setpal, the gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it.
Yes, yes, good. So gravitational force will be the correct answer. Next is
What is atmosphere?
yes, what is atmosphere?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Lakshita
Himanshi.
Setpal, the atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth.
Very good.
Yes, good. It is a thin layer of air that surrounds the Earth.
Earth.
Next, next is
What are components of environment?
which one is one student is waiting. Let me see who is that is waiting with the कुछ password से wait कर रहा है. Don't know who is he. Let me see, he or she. The student who has joined just now with the name iPhone 12 Pro Max. Please type present in the chat box. Let me know your name, please. Hello. The student who has just now joined the class, who just now entered the class with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This was your ID written over there in the waiting room.
Ma'am, he doesn't connect the audio till now.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is there. Okay. Anybody who joined just now, please let me know. Okay. Okay. Next question. What is atmosphere?
Ma'am,
It's,
atmosphere is the layer of
That surrounds the earth.
yes, it is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. Next is what are components of environment? What
Ma'am
are
Lakshita
Ma'am,
Setpal, there
Sadharati,
are
there
three
are three
components of
components of
environment: natural,
environment,
human-made,
natural,
and human.
and
very good? Three components, and for this the diagram was also there in your book. Natural, human made, and human. Next
yes,
is
ma'am.
filling the blanks. Hydrosphere is a part
Fill
of.
in the blank.
Hydrosphere is a part of.
Biosphere.
Huh? Hydrosphere is a part of. If you will write on biosphere, then also it will be correct. It is a part of natural environment, will be also correct. Few students might have written this natural environment, few have written biosphere. Both the words will be correct. Okay. Next is two main constituents of environment are.
Biotic and abiotic, Lakshita Setpal.
Yes, biotic and abiotic. Next,
Ma'am, dash is the hard top layer of the earth, Lakshita Setpal.
Ma'am,
Lithosphere.
ma'am, lithosphere, Surbila.
yes, lithosphere. And next is dash modify the natural environment.
Ma'am, Sadharati,
Human beings,
Human beings.
Lakshita Setpal.
Human beings. Okay. Now the student is there in that in the class iPhone 12 Pro Max, but still not written present in the chat box. And let me know your name, please. Hello.
My name is Dhairya.
Okay, Dhairya.
Ma'am, new student.
Okay, fine. Dhairya, you from the next time be careful that you have to join the class with your proper name, Dhairya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Not with your device name, with your name, then only I will be able to admit you in the class and I will know who are you. If you are there of this class only, that means I will admit you there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now type present in the chat box. Dhairya, type present in the chat box, please, for your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
And we were discussing the holiday homework question answers today. Welcome to the SST class. Okay, till filling the blanks it was clear. Till ninth question it is clear, everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now question number 10th. Question number 10th. What do you mean by dignity?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Lakshita
Himanshi.
Setpal, dignity means thinking of oneself and others as worth of self-respect.
Now, if everybody will speak, I am not able to hear properly what you are speaking. Only raise your
Ma'am,
hand.
can I?
One can first speak out your name and then. Yes.
Ma'am, Lakshita.
Lakshita.
Dignity means thinking of oneself and others as worth of self-respect.
Yes. Now this is given on page number 15 of your book, civics book, lesson number 1 in glossary part. That is, dignity refers to thinking of oneself and other persons as worthy of respect. Clear? Now, when was Civil Rights Act enacted in USA?
Ma'am, Himanshi.
1964, Lakshita Setpal.
First, you have to speak out your name and then the answer, please. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Lakshita
Himanshi.
Setpal, 1964.
1964. Then on what basis was Om Prakash Valmiki treated unequally?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Himanshi Raj.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Himanshi.
Lakshita,
Himanshi.
Ma'am, Om Prakash Valmiki were treated unequally on the basis of caste.
Yes, on the basis of caste. Clear?
differences of caste and religion.
Caste. Only Om Prakash Valmiki was only treated on the basis of caste because Om Prakash Valmiki belonged to the low caste. Low caste means which caste? Dalit caste. Na? That is why he was treated unequally. So here the answer will be caste, not religion. Ansaris were treated on the basis of religion. Now Om Prakash Valmiki was treated unequally on the basis of caste. Clear?
Ma'am, this answer is correct.
Yes.
Om Prakash Valmiki was treated unequally on the basis of differences of caste.
Caste. If the word caste you have written, then it's correct. Okay. Next, what is the key feature of democracy?
Ma'am, Lakshita Setpal, equality is the feature of democracy.
Anybody else? Yes, Sarah. Yes, Lakshita, you are correct. Sarah.
Equality is a key feature of democracy.
Yes. Sarah, you want to speak? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the answer will be equality. Next is why did Kanta borrowed money from her employer?
Ma'am, Himanshi
Shraddha Raji.
Yes,
money
Shraddha?
from her because her daughter is sick.
Yes. Yes. Anybody else? Any
Yes,
other?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Yes.
May
Lakshita.
I?
Yes. Yes, Shraddha.
Kanta borrowed money from her employer because her daughter was sick. She has been running fever, so Kanta have to take her to the hospital and she didn't have enough money, so Kanta borrowed money from her employer.
Yes. This is also correct, but as I have given very
Ma'am,
short.
can I answer any other answer?
Yes, yes.
Kanta had borrowed money from her employer because she wanted to take her ill daughter to the doctor for the treatment.
Yes, this is also correct. So anyhow, the answer will be that the means Kanta borrowed money from her employer. Why? Because to take her child to the doctor, to take her child to the doctor. And this line is given on page number 6 of your civics book. You can check it, page number 6. Last paragraph. Last paragraph, last 6th line. She needs to borrow money from her employer to take her child to the doctor. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next is name the program introduced in all government elementary schools to provide children with good
Ma'am,
dinner.
Lakshita Setpal.
Ma'am,
Surbi
Shraddha
Lalwani
Raji.
midday meal.
Yes, both are correct. Surbi and Lakshita, both are correct. That is, answer will be midday meal scheme.
Midday meal.
Next is, who was the author of Jhutan?
Ma'am,
Himanshi.
Setpal, Om Prakash Valmiki was the author of Jhutan.
I'm
Yes.
Om Prakash Valmiki.
Yes, everyone is correct. Om Prakash Valmiki. And then last one is name the first Indian state to introduce the midday meal scheme.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu was the
Nadu.
first state in
Ma'am,
India to
Tamil Nadu.
introduce the midday meal scheme.
Good.
Lakshita Setpal.
Yes, good, good. Everyone is correct. So, I hope all the answers are clear.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
If
Yes, ma'am.
any answer is wrong, you just make a correction over there. Clear in your notebook itself, but with the pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, question number 4, D.
Yes.
Phillips. Ma'am, third one.
Question number 4. Phillips.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And which one?
Third one.
Third.
Ma'am, third.
Knowledge of Sanskrit text. Sanskrit.
Okay, ma'am.
Knowledge of Sanskrit text. You can write down text also. TEXT.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Fourth is the Muslims had two division of
Shia Muslims and Sunni Muslims.
Shia, SHIA, Shia and Sunni, 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 है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, time is there, then we can start with this. Means we will continue with this lesson from page number 21. Have you opened your books? Page number 21?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Till now, I had made you clear about what? The role of
Government in health.
we have already started this lesson, the role of government in health, and we are very much clear in our mind about the clear meaning of health. Everybody knows now the meaning of health?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in short, can anybody tell me what is health? In short, can anybody tell me what is health? Yes.
Ma'am, health means ability to remain free of illness.
Means in common terms, you can say that health means ability to remain free of illness and injuries. But if we people get clean drinking water, pollution-free environment, adequate food to eat, and proper means environment, then also we can say that they are healthy people. Yes or no? We have
Yes,
read
ma'am.
about all these. And if they are without mental
ma'am.
strain, if they are without mental strain, without any worries and all, then also a person can be called as a healthy person. Now, India has a large number of doctors. Now, we have compared what? Compared the healthcare in India in this.
India.
Now we are having many medical colleges, many doctors are there every year. So many doctors get degree of doctorate and all. Many medical tourists are there. But then also, what in the second part what we are seeing, that still steps needed to be taken for the proper healthcare facilities in India. Still many types of diseases are prevailing which need to be taken care so that people are protected from that. Now, continuing this lesson, India has a large number of doctors, clinics and hospitals. The country has considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. Now, as you have seen in these columns and all, that India has large number of doctors, clinics, hospital, and proper experienced people are there to run public healthcare system. Now, what is public healthcare? What do you mean by the word public healthcare? Can anybody tell me? What do you mean by public healthcare? Public healthcare means the anybody means any person can move freely to these hospitals. They are run by the government. Public hospitals are run by the government.
Government.
Clear? So
Government hospitals.
public healthcare, yes, government hospital. So this is a system of hospital and healthcare centers run by the government. So what is public healthcare system? You can underline this. Public healthcare system is a system of hospitals and health centers run by the government. Okay? Then it has the ability to look after the health of large section of its population scattered over hundred of thousands of villages. That means thousands of people, our population is there. And this public healthcare system has the role to take care of those people who are scattered, who are living very far off remote areas, very far off areas or very remote areas, that is villages and all, rural areas and all. तो उन सब की health condition का भी proper care रखना, this is the role of public healthcare system. We will go into more detail on this later. Moreover, there has been a phenomenal advancement. A phenomenal means remarkable. A remarkable advancement is there in medical sciences, whereby many new technologies and treatment procedures are available in the country. So many advancements have been made in the medical sciences, that new technologies have been came to treat the what different types of diseases, so that proper health care can be maintained of the population living in a particular area. Now just now COVID is there, COVID-19 is going on. Now for that, what new advancement is there? That proper vaccination is being there. Yes or no? Vaccination is there. Everybody is forced now to be vaccinated so that they are safe from that COVID-19, and this COVID-19 does not spread moreover. So however, the second column points out how poor the health situation in a country is. So in both the columns we have read that the number of hospitals and all are there, medical facilities are there, but then also what is the problem? The health situation is very poor in our country. With all the above positive developments, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to people. Now many facilities are available, many hospitals, government hospitals, treatment, medicines, clinics are there, many doctors are there, but then also we are not able to provide, that is, means government is not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to the people. Now this is paradox. This is paradox means this can be true also in one side, this can be not true also on other side. Sometimes that is the contrary to what we expect. Our country has the money, knowledge and people with experience, but cannot make the necessary healthcare available to all. Now in this lesson, in this chapter, we will look at some of the reasons of this. Now in this lesson, we are going to see the reasons why we cannot, means necessary healthcare uh, treatment cannot be given, healthcare procedures cannot be given to all the people at the time when they are in need. So, as the time is running short, I will stop here only today, and we will continue with the story of Hakim Sheikh in our next class. Whenever we will meet next, we will continue with this story of Hakim Sheikh. Till then, you read the lesson and try to understand it. If any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you. And before leaving the class, please type once again present in the chat box with your name, proper name. Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay.
Have a nice day,
Have
ma'am.
a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Same to you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Same to you, beta.
Have a
Have a
nice
nice day, ma'am.
Same to you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Same to you, beta.
Ma'am, today enjoyed a lot by discussing about holiday homework.
Oh, good. Very good. After typing present in the chat box, you can leave the class, beta. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.